RJ Trades, and if you have not like and subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe. I make a video about how to on crypto as well as stocks, and also technical analysis, what I think and what's gonna happen. So if you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment below. So today's I wanted to kind of cover on crypto, what's going on at crypto. We had a big really big sell-off after the Jeremy Powell speech, after the Jackson Hole, pretty bad. It was not only in crypto as well as in stocks and everything. So I just want to talk about, is crypto winter here? What does the chart tells? What are the events coming up, right? So let's get started. So I think it all started with the Jeremy Powell, right? He was more hawkish. He was like, hey, I mean, 1 or 2 months of CPI data, inflation data, is not enough. We need to see inflation kind of coming down. Right now, we are right around 8.5%, but they really want to see is about 2 to 3%, right? Which is way far away. And again, if not, they will reach, I think the next the probability of reaching by 0.75% in this coming month is basically, it's like 70 or 80%. So I think Fed will raise, but it all depends what's the CPI number, which is probably like second week of September, like 13 or 14, like I think it comes on Friday, right? So Thursday or Friday, I gotta check. But it all depends. If we see like 6 7, maybe like it's decreasing, that's a good sign. I think it's a good for market. But if you really see 8.5, or it just, like it's picked but it's right there standing, then I think we will have more interest rates, higher interest rates, right? Which is really bad for crypto as well as stocks and everything. So now let's look at the price actions, right? So this is the Bitcoin, and if you see that, right, so Bitcoin really like had a pretty strong support around like this 18,500, like 18, this area, right? Like anywhere from like 17 18,000, pretty good support. It kind of bounced off there, went to 21, again came back, then went again 22, again came back, just almost 3 times. And this time we really started making kind of higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs, higher low, a little bit kind of coming up, right? And kind of going. So it was pretty good till basically from this few. This is, I think, January Jackson Hole meeting, but before that, basically it was kind of, then it was kind of showing like it was kind of it just broke this rising trend now. And also if you see that, right, this is 8 and 21 EMA, right? 8 and 21 EMA, really down, then it started going up, and now it just reversed again, right? Now we are in a very key level, right? We have not reached yet, but I think we will definitely touch this like 18 18,900, and it all depends, are we gonna bounce, right? We could bounce, like if the numbers comes good, or if there's something good, we could bounce. But if not, then I think we are going a lot lower. Where is the next support? Like, let's look at the chart, right? I think we have not seen that. Basically we have to go a few years back, but if you really look at yeah yeah, I think then the next support is probably right around 12 13,000, right? Like I don't see any strong support there. We could again, like this is not nothing written in stones, right? Like we could kind of stay right around here in 14 15, but I think 13,000 14,000, that's probably like, I don't think we will see less than 12,000, but I could see 13 14,000. That's is that the, I think this is a halving time, right? Yeah. So I could see, right, that's probably the bottom I see. Other than that, we may kind of hang out here for a year or so, then we just basically go massive bull run. It was kind of like double top too, if you really see like 63, this area double top and kind of dump it. So I think we'll be hanging out here. So that's what I see in Bitcoin. What do you guys think? I mean, if you guys have any other suggestion or anything you see otherwise, please comment below. Same thing, I want to talk about Ethereum, right? So ETH right? So what's happening? Ethereum pretty much same, right? So Ethereum, if you see, we really made a base between like this almost 950, 1000. Basically I would say 1000 to basically 1300. Really it was kind of ranging, then we broke out of it. Now we are kind of getting in this, and I think we are definitely seeing this 1250, and see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, we will probably go around 900, and I think absolute bottom is probably like around probably like, I think like, I highly doubt we'll go below this okay, this is like kind of previous high level right now actually, right? So I think we have a support around 800 pretty good. Then I think, yeah, then I think yeah, 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 I see like 500, 600. Probably if we ever go, that's probably absolute bottom. I highly doubt it, but yeah, the only thing right now happening is I think Ethereum merge, which is gonna happen in about 2 weeks, so that's a big one. And I saw like there are some bugs, like could be minor. I haven't really deep dive into it. If that doesn't go good, like we probably sell off, and even if that goes well, it's probably just the seller news, right? So that's what happening. And but I think this is a really great time if you are really believer in crypto long term. This is really probably like, I'm actually like thinking of kind of my long term portfolio, not for trading, but I think I will probably start adding a little bit of Ethereum now. And last but not least, I just want to cover Sol. A few people kind of pinged me, they wanted me to cover. So this is Sol chart doesn't look that great actually. And I think this is my, yeah, 19 is probably like, that's where I see maybe we are ultimately going. Let's see. Yeah, this was like strong support like from 22. This, yeah, I see like 17, 19, but massive rally. But we are really, there's no, kind of look like a head and shoulder too. So are we going to four? Probably no. I mean, I I invested 20, 30,000. I don't want to see it for. But again, this is, I think like right now, I think if you really look at the number of projects and things happening in the ecosystem, probably Sol is pretty in the really high ranking. A lot of new project and whatnot happening. One thing is definitely the volume has really died down. We had a really massive move up, but right now it's kind of slowly decreasing. So that's died down. But if you really look at the longer period, I think 26, 27 strong support, and probably like 20 we see like that's probably absolute bottom. I don't think it's gonna go lower than that, but I mean, you never know, it's crypto, right? It's pretty crazy. But in the short term, if you really look at still clearly in downtrend, just like the Bitcoin, we had this uh, yeah, we had this pretty good, right? If you just grabbed it like with the stop loss right here, pretty nice. 31, 28 or 29. I mean, 46, pretty good risk reward, right? So I'm not really trading, but I was like mostly accumulating. But no, I don't want that. Okay, so really it broke that trend line, and we are down, and you clearly see that 21 is above. So basically it's a really strong downtrend, and this it is acting as a resistance, right? So we need to kind of reverse, and this is, it's pretty much like a Bitcoin, right? Like it's the support right around 27, 26. Let's see if it holds. If it does not hold, I mean, you're right there actually. Yeah, right around 30. So if it holds. If it does not hold, we are probably going to 18 or 19. And then we probably go lower too. But right now, the chart, most of the chart doesn't really look that great. But let's see if this support holds. Yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions, please let me know. But that's it. I just wanted to, so I don't know, maybe it's crypto winter is coming. The real winter is coming as well as crypto winter. Let's see. Comment below if you have any question, and don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that bell button if you have not. Thank you guys. Have a great day, and see you guys in next video. Bye.